Your orientation leaders are available and ready to chat with you to discuss anything you would like. During the scheduled orientation leader office hour times located on our website, navigate to your UCSC student email and find the Google Chat icon on the left side menu of the screen. If this is not visible, you will need to turn the chat feature on. Go to your settings and under Chat and Meet, click on Customize and then check the Google Chat box. Be sure to save your changes. To start a chat, select New Chat, then type in the email for your orientation leader team. Click on Start Chat and type out your message. An orientation leader will accept your invitation and you can start chatting. If you want a video chat, let them know. We have scheduled Zoom drop-in hours and they can send you the link so you can have a face-to-face discussion. You will even be able to share your screen with them if you need help with your MyUCSC portal or class enrollment. We can't wait to chat with you.